Hello, serious video today. Logitech Z2300 Legend System Replacement Satellite Speaker Sound Test. In the last video I showed you how to correctly and safely find and replacement broken satellites for this Logitech system. Today you will have to put on the headphones and tell me which pair of loudspeakers sounds better with this Logitech sub. Stock Logitech Z560, HiFi from Audio Pro, custom bolt open baffles, or grandma's favorite loudspeakers from the 60s. The specs for all these loudspeakers are in the video description. This time you are the judge. Listen to this sound test and post your facts in the comments below the video.